whenever you're moving into the dorms, make sure you're moving on the actual check-in date and not later, because the amount of staff helping you out, just carrying your stuff and guiding you to the process is immense. UB has a really big resource of RAs helping you out, so make sure you take advantage of that.
Get collapsible boxes. My mom got these collapsible boxes, so I just store them like under my bed. And then when it's time to move out or move back in, I just open them and just like throw everything in there. Also, I feel like I overpack, and there's just some things you do not need. One tip that I have is packing light. I bought most of the essentials that I needed here, and that's because I didn't want to take so much stuff on the plane. You can get the things you need in Buffalo, that's for sure.
The biggest tip I have for students moving in is to bring someone very strong with you when you're moving in, because you're going to be going up and down stairs a lot of times.
Don't be intimidated by your dorm. If you decorate it, if you kind of make it your space, it becomes like a great home.